Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, first of all, I rise to support this report on the appointment of the two. Honorable Speaker, I did sit in the committee that vetted the same two candidates, Sossion and Lentoijoni. Honorable Speaker, as a committee, we did get 9 memorandums, and 7 of them were actually sworn affidavits. None of this was negative to the two. They were all in full support, people of diverse backgrounds from the teaching and other sectors. They fully supported the appointment of the two. Honorable Sossion brings a lot of experience, having been a classroom teacher, an art official, and having been in the industry for years. He brings a lot of knowledge, and having been from the side that was advocating for teachers, he now goes to the side that needs to implement some of the issues that he used to raise from the other side. And we do hope that some of the files that may have been sitting within TSC while he was in NAT, he gets a clear opportunity to assist, have those issues being implemented, and he will provide a very good bridge between TSC and the teachers in terms of communication. Honorable Speaker, Madam Lentoijoni has been with TSC, and within the period that I've served in the committee, we've gotten to interact with her as a committee and known the depth of experience that she holds in that body of the teacher's body. Honorable Speaker, she is a calm and collected lady, always ready to listen and assist where she can the best way possible. This is a strong person to have within the commission to help steer that commission towards the coming days and years as we try to address the challenges facing the teachers in terms of teacher shortages, teacher tooling, and all those aspects that make a Kenyan teacher a better teacher. So we do have a couple of 2 great Kenyans who we believe are going to be positive when it comes to the teaching profession. I thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I support.